Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 3 best Instant Pots of 2024. We know how overwhelming it can be to pick the perfect multi-cooker, so we've broken down the pros and cons of each to help you decide which one best fits your cooking style and budget. Let's get cooking. First up, we have the Instant Pot Pro Plus 10-in-1. This model is perfect for tech-savvy users who want smart functionality. With 10 cooking modes, it can handle everything from pressure cooking to sous vide, even connecting to your phone so you can monitor and control it from anywhere. Pros. Smart controls. The Pro Plus connects to an app that lets you control settings, receive notifications, and access over 1,500 recipes remotely. It's ideal if you're multitasking or want to keep an eye on your cooking without being in the kitchen. Versatile cooking modes. This model includes essential modes like pressure cooking, steaming, and slow cooking, plus unique functions like canning and NutriBoost, which enhances flavor and nutrition in soups and broths. Easy cleanup. The stainless steel inner pot is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, it's durable and holds up well to daily use. Cons. Pricey. At over $150, it's one of the more expensive Instant Pots on the market. If you don't plan on using the extra functions or the app, it may not be worth the higher price tag. Complex for new users. With so many settings and controls, it can be overwhelming for beginners. If you're new to multi-cookers, a simpler model might be better. So, if you're a tech enthusiast looking for a feature-packed model, the Pro Plus could be just what you need. However, it might be a bit much if you just want to cook without all the bells and whistles. Our second pick is the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart. This model is a fantastic option for families or anyone who cooks in larger batches. The Duo Plus includes 9 functions, covering everything from pressure cooking to yogurt making, with a user-friendly design. Pros. Generous size. The 8-quart capacity is perfect for families or meal prepping, letting you cook larger portions in one go. Versatile 9-in-1 functionality. With options to pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, and even sterilize, this model can replace multiple kitchen gadgets. Improved display and controls. An updated LED screen and intuitive buttons make it easy to switch between functions and customize settings. Cons. Bulky. The 8-quart size takes up more space, which might be challenging for smaller kitchens. No air fryer lid. It doesn't have an air fryer function, so you may need an additional appliance for crispy results. The Duo Plus 8-quart is a solid choice for those looking to simplify their cooking setup without compromising capacity. Just make sure you have the counter space for this larger model. Last, but definitely not least, we have the Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 with the ultimate lid. This model is for those of you who want to do it all. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, and even an air fryer. Let's break down why the Duo Crisp is a top choice. Pros. Air frying capability. The Duo Crisp has an air frying function built in, making it a space-saving choice if you love crispy fried foods, but don't want a separate air fryer. Ultimate lid design. Unlike other models, this has an innovative ultimate lid that doesn't need to be swapped out between cooking functions. It's convenient and saves time, especially for multi-step recipes. 11 cooking functions. From dehydrating to baking, the Duo Crisp covers almost all cooking styles, which can replace several other kitchen gadgets. Cons. Bulky. This model is larger and heavier than some of the other Instant Pots, so it might not fit well in smaller kitchens. Be sure to check dimensions if space is an issue. Learning curve. With so many functions, some users find it takes time to fully master all its settings. If you're looking for something quick and easy, this might not be the best pick. The Duo Crisp 11-in-1 is excellent for anyone looking to replace multiple kitchen gadgets with a single device, especially if you love air frying. However, it's a bit bulky, so make sure you have the space for it. And there you have it, our top 3 Instant Pots of 2024. Each of these models has its unique strengths, so whether you want a high-tech Pro Plus, an all-rounder like the Duo Evo Plus, or the ultimate kitchen multitasker, there's an Instant Pot for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more appliance reviews and cooking tips. Drop a comment below to let us know which Instant Pot you'd pick or if you already have one of these models. Happy cooking, and we'll see you in the next video.